to Brainy Tots TV. Full. Empty. Full and empty. Slow. Fast. Slow and fast. New. Old. New and old. Boy. Girl. Boy and girl. Few. Many. Few and many. Front. Back. Front and back. Happy. Sad. Happy and sad. Hot. Cold. Hot and cold. Right? Wrong. Right and wrong. Young. Old. Young and old. Tall. Short. Tall and short. Day. Night. Day and night. Dirty. Clean. Dirty and clean. Loud. Quiet. Loud and quiet. Open. Close. Open and close. Push. Pull. Come on, push and pull. Inside. Outside. Inside and outside. Above. Below. Above and below. Laugh. Cry. Laugh and cry. For more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Brainy Tots TV.